We're here at the New York Botanical Garden for a special event, the Nightmare Before Christmas Light Trail.
Show that is delightful and fun and gives you great images and stimulation for your eyes and your ears and a rollicking good time.
Things are getting really spooky around here.
And you will be immersed in middle of the field with amazing effects. You will see video projection on the trees, spiders going into the trees, tunnel projections into the floor. You will make tons of pictures with all the characters.
Spooky season means time to hang out at the graveyard. The Nightmare Before Christmas Light Trail will run for 9 weeks starting September 27th through November, so get your tickets now.